And I don't know why. This is really not part 2, but it can if you want to. You can call it part 2. But let's just get to it. Okay. This time. So, this time she mixed the blue.
Yep.
And
it's a really nice purple.
Yeah.
Sam keeps on singing songs that she knows.
Mm-hmm.
So, I just realized that. Okay, stop. Sorry.
I'll make you fall in love. There's spell that can't be broken. One touch should be enough.
Sorry guys, we have music on and it just
That's
says
the recipe. It's all about the magic.
Is this the purple?
Yeah.
I was like, why is the music on?
Don't make you fall in love. There's spell that can't be broken. I'll make you off my mind. When you be like to me, I got the recipe.
Okay, let's hurry up, guys, because we don't want to run it.
Yeah.
This is my favorite one, everyone. Heart, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, it's my favorite one. I'm gonna move the bin over
It's
here.
really thick, guys.
If you guys want to know how to make these, we can tell how to make these in a video, but we won't actually show you. We can tell you how, but we can't like show you how. Because we would have to go all the way back to the store and get a container. The same container, so. Alright, let's be quick, guys.
And I would have to mix them all again. And
Yeah, and it wastes just money for our parents. So.
To me, I got the recipe. It's all about
Guys,
the
if this ends,
magic.
it's okay. We're gonna make like a 3-part. Oh, this one I made for you especially. Oh, it's like a sandcastle though. If you take it out. Okay.
Whoa, look at that.
It looks like a jello. Okay, we can definitely split this. This is
Like a
3
lot.
pound sun. If you can see.
It's really
Here.
thick slime, guys.
Oh, this is a lot.
It's really thick, right, Ed?
Yeah, it's super kind of thick, so it's
Because you
it's very thick, but can make amazing bubbles, guys.
Yes, it's like amazing.
So I love this one.
Oh, you hear it, guys?
Did it fart? Okay, I'm gonna see if I can make a bubble, guys. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, that didn't make a bubble. Okay.
Yeah.
Love. Falling in love. Falling in love. Okay, falling in love. I'll be right back, guys. I'm just getting hungry.
Every day, carry out large 3-topping pizzas for $7.99 each via Domino's.
So Sam wants to get something, so we're waiting for him to get.
Oh, Sam's back. Sorry, guys.
She was doing something over in the kitchen. I think she was
See,
talking
guys,
to her
it's
mom.
over there.
I
was putting away our
Yeah, I think she was talking to her mom about something.
No, I was putting away the ingredients.
All right.
These are thick.
Oh, the ingredients are slime.
One
Don't
more
have
slime,
that.
one more slime, and then we're going to show our special one. Hold on, guys. Just gotta switch to here. There. Sam,
This is. Come on, this is. I think I made this one. Am I?
Oh, I made this one.
Oh yeah. So this one she made. So she just wanted to make it for this video.
No, make it look like gel again.
No, don't do that. Just do this.
Ooh, it's like rubber. Now are you going to split it?
Okay.